Ready now.
Yeah, man, see, man, yeah, man.
And me, man. And me.
Yeah, man, talk to them now.
Yeah, man.
After me reach a Ministry of Labour and the woman say, we can't accept my birth paper because she can't see the entry number. So I left Ministry of Labour about after 10. I left about after 10 and Ministry of Labour. After I left Ministry of Labour, probably Ministry of Labour about 3 o'clock. And I reach me see one shine man shoes on the way.
For your personal doorway.
For me personal doorway, we just fuck the man 4 o'clock in the morning before me left.
I left Gartown.
I left Gartown and come back. In the 3 o'clock in the hour. When me look me see man shoes on me door, he said, "The last class this man." So me know, just walk in. He said, "My dear one and brother or something." Don't check it. And then the one is in the room. Yes! Oh yes!
And them with it, man, I'm going to tell me, man,
And me say, "You see a fucking the sender, but I kill me, woman." God went on me. Go through the room, peep through the door, because they don't lock no door, because them believe that 3 days me was spent a minute at all. I mean, they really left me spend 3 days, but because
you want the work?
through the bird paper, and
Yeah, man.
kind of get a mess up. And the time you reach in my room and see the man have me woman upside down, X him and cross him. He sink all his seed in him. I holler, "You fuck." When me clean me throat, me say, "Alright." So when I finish, you can leave. Woman, when me just fuck 4 o'clock, I hide breath from me.
I had breast.
I holler, "You fuck."
So when you hear woman and say,
Yes! Oh yes! Oh yes!
you never angry woman them the way they.
Me say the man would about 3 times the size of him. Me say when the man draw the wood out of me, woman, it come like a half of me hand.
Jesus, man, you know, long more have to see you, man.
Ah,
Have to see
you
if I were
fuck.
real mad, this happened to man.
It happened to me, man. It happened to me.
So what she said to you?
Me just say, "Alright, show me me want to go to Canada." Me say, "Alright, after I finish, you leave." And me go start drink some rum now after me start drinking rum. And I say, "Go up, they go chop up in blood clot." But when you go up there, you chop him up. And go away.
You know working either. You know working either. But I want good pussy. If that if you say that the man spoil the pussy do.
Me say, if he may want to take shame and take back the woman, that the size would when me see her come out and
You
the
couldn't
woman
have the match.
It'll just come like a play me a go there.
So when you hear she say,
Yes! Oh yes! The man next him and crash him and sink all his seed in him.
Yo.
when you hear she say,
Yes!
Yo.
Oh,
You have still how much you never pussy care, man.